Good morning, everyone. I, Aryan Sharma of 9th Standard, present here to deliver a speech on the topic of advantage and disadvantage of online classes. One of the most often term after the pandemic is the term new normal. The new normal in education is increased the using of online learning tools. The COVID-19 pandemic had triggered a new ways of learning. All around the world, the education institutions are looking towards the classes of platform to continue with the process of education. The new normal had now transferred the core of education with online learning at the core of transformation. Today, the digital learning has emerged in a necessary resource for students, school, and all over the world. For many education institutions, this is the entirely a new way of learning. What are the advantage of online classes? The first advantage that come to focus is that the teacher or the educator can come up with the new efficient way of delivering the lesson. The online learning has a number of tools such as video, PDF, podcast, and teacher are able to become more efficiently educators. The second advantage of we can count the as ability for student. For online classes allow the student to attend the class from their to any location from their home or the location of their choose. It is allows the student to reach out the more significant in the lesson and bring out the restricted geographical boundaries. To additionally, online lecture can be reached, achieved, and shared to the future evidence. This allows the student to access more learning material at the time of comfort. Thus, the online learning offers the student at a time of place and education. The third advantage of online learning is the reduce the radical cost, hence making the bigot friendly and often the economically weaker student also. And online education is the more affordable as it is compared the physically education. This is because the online learning eliminates the lost of point in the student transportation, their meals, and the important rustic. The fourth disadvantage of online classes can be the improve the student attendance. Since the online classes can be taken from the home or the location of their choose, it is a fewer chance to a student for miss out a lesson. The last advantage I could think that the online education help the diverse way of student learning. Every student has a different way of learning. Some are visually learner, some are learning throughout the video, some are solo learner who get distracted in a large group. Talking to the advantage is not focusable. Shortcoming of the online learning process, it will be the basic talk of the some of the disadvantage of shortcoming of e-learning resources problem. The first disadvantage I would like to talk about inability of the student to focus on the screen. For many students, one of the biggest challenge is to focus on the screen for a long period of time. With the online learning, there of time. What is the learning of the great chance of student to be the easy distracted by the social media and other sites. Therefore, it is impaired the active to a teacher and keep the online classes crisp and creating the intensity to help the student to stay focused on the screen. Second shortcoming of the technology issue. Another key challenge of the online classes internet connectivity. When the internet connectivity pretends and leap of bounds in constant with the connection and the learning to the children. This is the demonate at the education process. The third disadvantage I would like to bring out in your notice that the sense of isolation. The student can learn a lot of being by the company of their peers. However, in online classes, there are the mineral physical interaction between the student and the teacher. They are also often the result and a sense of isolation. These students allows the student to be the communicate between the teachers, student, and peers. This can be include the message, emails, video conferencing that allows the student to face with teachers in a sense of isolation. The fourth disadvantage is the lack of teacher training. One of the online learning requires the teacher to have a basic understanding what is for using the digital form of learning. However, it is also an basic to be the to the have the sometimes in the it is also often for a resource tool. This to conduct the online classes. This often covered with the importance of school teacher training. And this is the last technology updated that the conduct of the online classes seamlessly. Managing the screen timing can be placed on the list of disadvantages. Many parents have a conclude about the health urge of having the children to spend for many of hours sitting on at the screen. This increased the screen timing of one of the biggest challenge and disadvantage of the online classes. Sometimes the student have developed bad posture and a bad physical problem due to the staying in hunched in front of a screen. A good solution of that, taking a break, plenty of break from the screen to refresh their mind and body. Coming to the coming to the concluding remark, we cannot do justice in issue of by calling a black and white by just looking at the advantage and disadvantage. So calling it gray, it suits better. As I talked the topic of electronic world today, the electronical both have pros and cons. We just need to address the matter that having online education helps the student in current screen or not. We must just hear yes, because it isn't done to the tremendous job during the COVID-19 pandemic to continue with the education. We have been scared if they had been the online education or not. Thank you.